Hi, I'm Jeff Bissett, and today we're going to take a look at General Tire. More than a century ago, General Tire was born right here in America, making tires you can depend on and trust to get you to your destination. We'll be looking at the General Tire's all-terrain and off-road lineup. These tires are all built for a wide range of vehicles and a variety of terrains. We'll provide an in-depth look at the all-purpose Grabber APT, the all-terrain Grabber ATX, and the mud terrain Grabber X3 tires to help you decide which tire is right for your driving needs. So let's get started with the Grabber APT. The Grabber APT is designed for light trucks, SUVs, and CUVs with sizes from 16 to 22 inches and up to a 10-ply load rating. It's the perfect tire for pickups like this two-wheel drive Ram 1500. The APT is an all-purpose, all-terrain tire, which means it's going to deliver excellent daily commuting road performance and tackle all your weekend off-road adventures. The APT features comfort balanced tread cushioning technology that provides a smooth, quiet ride while the Duragen construction ensures even wear and strong handling. Some sizes are labeled with the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol. This symbol indicates that the tire meets the required traction criteria in medium compact snow conditions, giving you additional performance on those snowy days. The General Grabber APT has a 60,000-mile tread wear warranty and a 45-day customer satisfaction trial period. The Grabber ATX is a true all-terrain tire used in a variety of trucks like this cool Ford Raptor, Jeeps, and SUVs. It's engineered for a 50-50 balance of street and off-road use. The Grabber ATX features a more aggressive tread design than the Grabber APT and gives your vehicle more rugged looks, but you still have an inspiring street performance for your daily commute. Duragen technology increases chip and cut resistance in harsh terrain, extending tread life. The traction notches enhances grip on snow, dirt, and other loose surfaces. Like the Grabber APT, the Grabber ATX also features the 3-peak mountain snowflake symbol. For even more winter grip, the Grabber ATX is studdable to make it a dedicated winter-only tire if you live in a state that allows studded tires. Even more impressive, it comes with a 60,000-mile tread life warranty for P-metric sizes, a 50,000-mile tread life warranty for LT and flotation sizes, and a 45-day customer satisfaction trial period. The Grabber ATX has wheel sizes available from 14 to 20 inches and flotation sizes including 33, 35, and 37 inches. The Grabber X3 is a mud terrain tire designed to conquer the toughest trails in the world. From the Rubicon, the Pan American Highway, Moab, to the harshest environments of Baja. It's a great tire for any mid and full-size trucks, Jeep Wranglers, and many SUVs. It's perfect for our Jeep Wrangler. The size of this tire is a 265/70 on 17-inch rims and features the red letters on the sidewall. The X3 is an extreme terrain tire with built-in monster tread lugs that dig into any type of terrain and spits it right back out at you. Literally, if you want extreme traction, durable performance, and aggressive style, the X3 is for you. The Grabber X3's 3-ply sidewall and extended sidewall lugs and ribbing create an armored barrier for durability and an additional level of puncture protection for those overlanding adventures. The multi-pitch pattern tread design creates a surprisingly quiet ride, and tread siping ensures adequate wet and winter traction on and off-road. It's available in more than 40 different sizes, and it's built to fit 15 to 20-inch wheels with 33, 35, and 37-inch diameters available. An added benefit to the X3 is that it comes with a 45-day customer satisfaction trial period. So, to recap, the Grabber APT provides consistent on-road performance and off-road capability with a 60,000-mile tread life warranty. The Grabber ATX handles road and trail perfectly for a wide range of vehicles. With a 3-peak snowflake rating for winter, the Grabber ATX keeps you going year-round. The Grabber X3 is the weapon of choice for an extreme terrain tire that will give off-road enthusiasts the 3-ply sidewall and grip they need to climb any mountain or tackle any trail anytime. I don't know about you guys, but I had a good time today. Thanks for hanging out with us. When you're ready to soup up your truck, on-road, off-road, whatever it is, head to tirebuyer.com for all your tire needs.